Alright, whose life can I ruin today? In this world of mystery, I have one question. Why are there 4 different
hiccup horrendous haddock thur?
I can take them. I could just throw a million
Hiccup.
I say it. There's more! Who is—
Shut up, Hiccup.
Why? Why is there so many? Look, I can just throw them down. Which one is the real—
Hiccup, shut up.
Right, I don't care. I'm exploding.
Hiccup horrendous haddock thur.
Explode.
Hiccup.
Which one is it?
Yes, I am growing very strong. My muscles are getting bigger.
Legalize nuclear bombs.